And today we will discuss specific heat. What do you mean by specific heat? Okay. Children, first of all, before discussing what is specific heat, I will give you the formula for specific heat. Q is equal to M S delta T, where S is called specific heat. So S is equal to Q by M into delta T. Okay. How do you define specific heat? Means it is the amount of heat energy. It is the amount of heat. How much amount of heat? Okay. Amount of heat energy required. Amount of heat energy required to increase the temperature of 1 kg substance, 1 kg mass, 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade. That is called specific. I will suppose I will give you wood, 1 kg wood, and I will ask you to increase its temperature by 1 degree centigrade. You can measure that in thermometer. So you have to supply certain amount of heat. Am I correct? Yes or no? That heat required for 1 kg of wood by 1 kg for increasing temperature by 1 degree centigrade is called specific heat. Every body has its own specific heat. Suppose we take water. Water specific heat is 1. Like every body has its own specific heat. Okay, seriously speaking, what is the units of specific heat? Yeah, joules by. Heat means joules. Heat means what? Joules. Because it's an energy. Energy units are joules by kg per degree centigrade. Or sometimes ergs by gram degree centigrade. Okay, children, like this. Okay, suppose specific heat of water is 1 joule per kg degree centigrade. 1 specific heat of water means it's every body has its own specific heat. Every body. Okay, try to understand every body. Suppose wood will have its own specific heat. Water will have its own specific heat. Now I will give you milk. Milk. Okay, how much heat is required for the milk? 1 kg of milk to increase the temperature by 1 degree centigrade. That is the specific heat of milk. Specific heat of kerosene will be there. Specific heat of alcohol will be there. Specific heat of everything on this earth. Specific heat means how much heat 1 kg will take to increase the temperature by 1 degree centigrade. To increase the temperature by 1 degree. Amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade. And units are joules by kg per degree centigrade or ergs by gram per degree centigrade. This is called specific heat. Okay, then you'll get down, sir, what is this delta T? Delta T means, children, delta T means T2 minus T1. Again, you'll get what is T2 minus T1. Suppose I will increase the temperature of body from 30 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. 40 is T2, 30 is T1. Change in temperature. Delta means what? Change in temperature. So this is the formula for specific heat. Based on this, in this video description, I'll give so many numericals. You try to do that numericals very, very easy. One numerical example I will give you that. Find specific heat of substance. Find specific heat of substance which requires 100 joules for increasing 5 kg of substance from 20 degrees to 30 degrees. That's it. Simple sum. What is the formula? Specific heat is equal to how much is the temperature I gave? 100 joules. How much is the mass I gave? 5 kg. Change in temperature 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20, 10. So 0, 0 gone, this gone. So 2 joules per kg degree centigrade. Like this, you'll find specific. Simple question. No, sir, I have doubt means another question. Find heat energy required to raise temperature of 10 kg substance from 50 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade, if specific heat of that substance is 5 joule per kg degree centigrade. How you do it? See, Q is equal to, what is the formula? Ms delta T. What is Mi gave? 10. What is specific heat? 5. What is change in temperature? 50 to 60. What is change in temperature? 10. So what is the answer? 500 joules. Okay, so what is specific heat? Is the amount of heat energy required to change the 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade. Is the amount of heat energy required to change the temperature of 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade. It is specific heat. Okay, temperature changes occurring now? Yes. The temperature change can be seen in the thermometer? Yes. Okay, so when you're drawing the graph, it will be shown like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Wherever it is increasing, that is specific heat. Wherever it is not increasing, it is called latent heat. Specific heat, latent heat. Specific heat, latent heat. Specific heat, latent heat. Specific, latent, specific, latent. Latent heat, I will tell you in the next class. But specific heat, we can see the temperature rise in the thermometer. In the description of the video, we have so many numericals. Please try to practice. Basic numericals only. Okay, wherever it is formalized, Q is equal to Ms delta T. Basing on this only, we get numericals. Okay. Please open the description of the video and change and try to do all the numericals as homework. Okay, and please learn this definition also very, very important. Units joules per kg degree centigrade or ergs per gram degree centigrade. Okay, children. Suppose if anyone asks you, convert into calories. Okay, 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Always remember. Sometimes heat, they will ask you in calories also. How to convert calories into joules? 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. 1 calorie. Okay. So suppose children, I have 100 joules. Convert into calories. Let's see. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. 100 joules is equal to how many calories? That's a cross multiplication. So 1 calorie is equal to how many joules, children? 4.2 joules. 1 calorie is equal to how many joules? 4.2 joules. 1 calorie is equal to how many joules? 4.2 joules. Don't forget, children. In description, you will be seeing so many numericals. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubts?